Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA C12. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none, and if you select none, you'll remove every unlock method. Now let's select swipe, and if you select swipe, you'll have to swipe up to unlock the phone. Then let's select pin. To use pin, enter at least 4 digits. Tap done. And next, let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. And in the end, let's select pattern. And to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can go to face unlock. And now select setup face unlock. Scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.